what I got today. It's a speaker! Bluetooth speaker in price range Ringgit Malaysia 75. Is it good? I just come back from Mr.DIY hardware shop and I got something interesting from there. You know, Mr.DIY is one of the biggest hardware shop in Malaysia, and they're selling value for money stuff, low cost, cheap price, and still okay quality. Before that, I want to disclaim, this is not a official paid review. Mr.DIY workshop never pay me any cent on doing this video. I just do it because I like the products. That's it. First look at the design. Do you find out it really meshed to my table? I got a dirt here, but really mesh. The color theme is very match. Hey, wait, today I'm actually talk about a speaker, but maybe because of this design and this match my table, that is the reason I brought it. Possible, and the price is not expensive, 75 ringgit Malaysia as a Bluetooth speaker. If the sound not bad, it's worth. So first look at the design. On the top, got 3 buttons: plus, minus, and play. The plus minus must be volume control. At the back, you got 3 control. Now this is on off. I can notice it. This is the 3.5 mm jack, so you can use a computer cable, and they actually come with it. And this is the charger port. Inside got built-in battery. Of course, this is a portable Bluetooth speaker. If they don't come with battery, you don't buy it. Why you need to buy this something without battery? Oh, and the brand is FIODIO. Okay, don't talk about the brand because we don't know it. Because maybe this is a new company and they sell in Mr.DIY in Malaysia. It's a sell in hardware shop. So, but it look interesting. I got it. So I know most of you more care about, is it usable? How is the sound like? Let's play some music. I already connected it to my computer with a 3.5 phone for 3.5 jack because I'm using my phone to recording, so I cannot use this to play that. If I play it, I cannot do this together at the same time. So let's play some music. What I say is not bad. It's not bad. Compared to the Xiaomi 75 ringgit range, this is really good. Maybe you want to compare with 400, 500. That is different. But this is good enough. Let's change it. So, what do you think about the speaker? I think it's good, really good. Luckily, I brought it. How you think? Maybe you think different. You got different opinions. Let me know. If you ask me, is it worth to buy? Please go ahead, just buy, and don't think anything. Just buy. Well, if you need a speaker, of course. If you don't need, you don't buy. Don't waste your money. If you need a speaker and play around and you can, or you place on your desktop. You see, I just play on my desktop. It's good enough, but you don't expect something very huge bass. Yeah, you should not expect that in a small speaker in 75 ringgit price range. I only compare with some before, like Hamakaton in around 700 ringgit for this kind of big one. The sound, of course, you cannot compare with that. The price range is totally 10 times different. But this, the sound quality is good enough for most case user. Even you want to use for presentation. And I just try with the Bluetooth. It's not that much delay. It's 4.2. Bluetooth is good enough. Normal use good enough. Professional use, if you got 10,000 Wi-Fi at home, of course you don't have to need this kind of small thing. This is not good for you. This is not worth. But most of the people, I mean you and me, why don't we have something like this at home? I don't get it. Why don't? Because everyone like music. Everyone like music. But if you want a bass, then you get a headphone. Better. What else I miss? I think nothing. Oh no, sorry. I'm Bruce. This is my Bruce Workshop. If you like to see more this kind of video, please subscribe my channel. Give me a thumbs up. If you got any question about the speaker, or you got something to, maybe you got another speaker like to do a different review or comparison with this one, let me know. Leave a comment below. See you next video.